Hey guys, it's pretty sunny outside. You see that basket over there? That white basket over there? Let's go check that out. So sunny. Oh, there's a bird in there. See that? That's a bird. That's a bird. Right there. That's that bird. It fell from that tree. That whole big tree. His mom and dad is trying to get him up there, but I don't think that's gonna happen because we are gonna have to take care of it. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow this butterfly, this bird, can fly. I'm gonna try to feed him, but yeah, you see that? It's trying to get out because it's so dirty. Like, what the heck? How did that bird fall from that tree? So let me give you a better look. From that damn tree. Are you serious? I can't believe that. His mom and dad is not even trying to get him. That bird really, homeless. He needs something to eat. See, he wants to get out. Yeah. Bye guys. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and go check out Havoc Agility. He's my neighbor, and peace out, guys.